Mitigation efforts? MRT Corp and Rapid KL manage these noise levels through several methods. Noise barriers. Tall walls or enclosures are strategically placed along tracks near residential areas to reduce noise levels by approximately 5 to 10 decibels. Wheel reprofiling. Operators periodically grind or reprofile wheels to remove flat spots and restore their shape, which helps reduce abnormal vibrations and knocking sounds. Track maintenance. Regular rail grinding is performed to smooth out irregularities on the track surface. Overview of trackside architecture. The vertical H-beams serve as a structural skeleton. They hold a modular post and panel system that forms solid walls. This system blocks the loud, metallic screeching from train wheels on curved tracks to protect nearby residents. Acoustic wall panels, noise barriers. 1. Material and appearance. Full metal build. The wall is made entirely of solid metal panels from top to bottom. The full metal sound barrier walls are constructed primarily from a combination of aluminium and galvanized iron, GI, galvanized steel. Vertical ridges. The metal surface has vertical folds, corrugation, to keep it strong against strong wind gusts when trains rush past. 2. How it absorbs sound. Perforated front. The side facing the train is full of tiny engineered holes. Trapping noise. Instead of acting like a hard wall that bounces sound back like an echo, noise enters these holes. Turning sound to heat. Inside the metal panels is a thick layer of rockwool. The sound waves vibrate inside this fluffy material, losing energy and turning into harmless, tiny amounts of heat. 3. Track-specific job. Targeting wheel noise. This train line uses a magnetic motor system with a flat plate in the center of the track. Handling curb friction. Because the motor itself is relatively quiet, this wall's main job is to block the high-pitched screeching made by the steel wheels grinding against the rails on this sharp curve.